separate yourself out in the marketplace, you have to have the ability to innovate, to come up with new ideas, to create new solutions.
It is just transformational to solve a problem that others can't. That's what turns us on. That's what inspires our passion, that helps something get to market that is going to help people around the world. The KMM Group is the fusion of 3 world-class companies in their own right: KVI Group, M&S Centerless Grinding, and Marin Medical. KMM blends over 100 years of combined experience. It's not only just the experience, it's the level of expertise, going from milling and turning all the way through grinding and assembly, that makes KMM a powerful offering to the OEMs in the industries. Communication is the foundation of how we interact and transact with our clientele. We align ourselves with our customers' cadence of communication rather than having them adjust to ours.
My father taught me many years ago that if we can't satisfy the customer, we really don't deserve to be in business. So the customer always has to be the first and foremost focus in every interaction.
There is no more important piece of KMM Group than the culture within the company. When we established our 20 fundamentals, those are things that when Eric and I sat down to write these fundamentals, we knew that we had to first and foremost want to live every single one of those every day. What the future of KMM really is to become a self-sustaining, thriving platform that the next generation of leaders can take even further. I love to think about the work that we're going to do, but I get more excited to think about the company that it will become.